Are you passionate about driving social changes and empowering communities? Have you ever wondered how communities actually transform its challenges into opportunities? Or how collective efforts actually spark the long-lasting social change? Welcome to the Community Organization, Community Work and Social Action, a comprehensive course which focuses on empowering communities. Let's delve into this course. Together we will explore some very important questions like how the community have to collaborate, how we can actually mobilize the resources as well as mobilize the communities. This journey will prepare you to tackle a lot of the social challenges with a lot of the confidence and more skillful manner. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Qurratullain Ali, Assistant Professor in the Department of Social Work, Aligarh Muslim University. I'm an educator and a very passionate social worker. Community outreach and community engagement as well as the community work became so important in nowadays. This is particularly very important for those students and for whoever actually wants to pursue the higher studies into abroad, because this particular paper is very significant for those. This course is particularly so important whoever wants to engage in the developmental sector, be it from the governmental agencies or whoever is engaged in any NGOs or any international even agencies or organizations like UNICEF, UNDP and so on and so forth. And this course is also going to help to those who are working in the project under the CSR, that is Corporate Social Responsibilities. This course welcomes the participants from diverse fields. So I have divided the whole course into 3 different parts. First part, which holds maybe the first and 2 weeks, which will carries and which will discuss about understanding of the community, its dynamics, the types of the different communities like the rural, urban and tribal, their characteristic and so on and so forth, and then also the different dynamic aspect of the community. Second part of this course will deal with about the community work, community development, community organization, social actions. So we are going to deal with the very basic values, principles, approaches, models, strategies of these methods. And the very third part and the last part of this course, there are very important skills like the participatory role appraisal, participatory learning action, which holds number of the tools like the social mapping, resource mapping, mobility mapping, timeline, seasonality diagrams. So there's a lot of tools we are going to discuss, and also we are going to discuss in the very last week about the development communication, because communication is so important. Once you want to develop and bring changes to the community, your communication should be good. So there we are going to discuss about not only about the what is communication, rather we are going to discuss about the development communication, the very specific aspect, the kind of the communication, the tool of the communication, which make you, more professional, more skillful to bring the development to the community. That includes social marketing, that include, development communication, that include information education communication, that is IEC. There are a lot different skills and lot different tools we are going to discuss into the last part. This is all about the whole course curriculum, and I hope that you are going to benefit it after learning all these tools and techniques and understanding of the community. So be a part of this transformative journey, empower yourself and empower the whole community. Let's take one step ahead for a more closer and developing and building a more just society. So let's learn and grow together. Thank you so much.